Pajeon is one of the foods that come to mind the most for Koreans on a rainy day. Seafood pajeon is a pancake made with various seafood and green onions, and its attractive taste and aroma captivates many people. It is popular for social gatherings and family gatherings, too. Especially, maggioli with seafood pajeon is known to taste better. The sweet and soft taste of maggioli makes the savory taste of seafood pajeon even more. Its ingredients mainly include seafood and green onions, such as shrimp, squid, and mussels. The rich taste and nutrition they create make seafood pajeon even more special. Also, green onions help digestion, and seafood provides high-protein, low-calorie nutrients. One of Korea's traditional desserts, yang-geang, is a combination of savory chestnut flavor and soft yang-geang, which contains a long history and tradition. Yang-geang is a meaningful food shared among families, especially during holidays such as Chuseok, and plays an important role in sharing Korean affection. Chestnuts are well known for being nutritious and providing energy, and they are a popular ingredient, especially in winter. They are traditionally made with a mixture of congee water, sugar, and a variety of natural ingredients. And chestnuts, which are used in chestnuts, add a special sweetness and texture to the dessert. The process of making yang-geang requires delicacy and care. First, select high-quality chestnuts and grind them gently. These prepared chestnuts are mixed with a traditional gangrene base, then wait for hours to cool down. Through this process, they have their unique taste and texture. Gimbap is a traditional Korean snack and meal, which is made by rolling rice and various ingredients into a savory seaweed. Popularized since the early 20th century, gimbap was originally a snack for the aristocrats, but it has become a food favorite with everyone over time. Its main ingredients include rice, pickled radish, ham, eggs, and fresh vegetables. In Korea, gimbap is usually eaten during various events and picnics. Each ingredient goes well together and offers a unique taste and nutrition. The charm of gimbap lies in its variety. From traditional gimbap to tuna, cheese, and even kimchi, you can make new flavors of gimbap with various ingredients. This variety reflects Korea's regional and family characteristics.